Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. My 8-year-old grandsons are coming to stay with me some this summer, and I have the bifold closet doors that I don't really want them opening and closing for a lot of reasons. There's just going to be things in there I don't want them getting into, and just don't want the doors to come off the hinges. So these are from Safety Innovations for our deluxe bifold door locks. There's 2-pack of 2 rooms. They have metal ones, but I didn't really want to put metal on a painted door. You can also put these little handles on there to use them to pull open, but I don't want to make it easier to pull them open at all. So it's no yes, we have instructions. No tools needed to install. Place the door lock on the top of the door away from the hinged area. Note the door lock is shown with optional wand. We're not going to use the magic wand. Close the door with the door lock and place the top of the door. Slide the door lock over the hinged area of the door to prevent the door from opening. For thinner doors, place the insert into the door lock. Aha, that's what this is. If your doors are too thin, you can place that inside of it to make it fit. This product is designed to help minimize accidents. Use of this product is not a substitute for adult supervision. Watch your children. Here is the manufacturer's info. So it is as simple as putting this over the door, sliding over the hinge part. If you want to use the wand, looks like it simply drops in like that, and then the adult can slide it back and forth. To me, this is just a little temptation for 8-year-old boys, see if they could jump up and grab it and pull it down. So no magic wand. Doors tend to be thin. You can put this piece in, and that's going to thicken it up a little bit. It's going to probably pop in there. I don't want it because I don't know if it's going to fit on mine or not yet. Let's go find out. So I have 2 bifold doors in each closet. This is going to go over the flat part. And when you close the door, you slide it over like that. You can't open it. That's simple. And you, as the adult, want to open the door, you simply slide it back and open the door. Let's try it with a magic wand. It is easier, but I'm tall enough where I don't need the wand, and like I said, that just looks like something that would taunt an 8-year-old, doesn't it? Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.